Yeah, I'm gonna just stick to makeup because what it do, glam crew? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and today I had a request to try out this new palette that came out with Winky. If you guys are a gamer or whatever, Pokimane. Okay, Pokimane partnered with Winky. Here's the palette. It's so cute. It's very little. It has 9 colors. Poki Palette. And there's the legendary Pokimane right there. I am going to be doing swatches with this palette. I decided to wear long sleeves today. Out of all days, I never wear long sleeves. The day I'm going to swatch on my arm is the day I decide to wear long sleeves. Ugh! On the back of the palette, she has a little quote on it, and I guess I will read it to you guys. It says, "My favorite looks can be created with these shadows, named after my favorite things. I partnered with Winky to create this palette that celebrates my amazing fans and our memories together. Here's to love, laughter, beauty, and friendship. Love you to the moon and back, Pokimane." That was cute. I looked through her page and stuff. I stalked her just a little bit, and her makeup is very, very simple and plain. She usually does maybe a light eyeshadow and then a very tiny wing, not even a sharp wing, it's just a boop. So I don't know if I want to do, like, replicate one of her looks or just try to do my own look with her palette. We shall see. Okay. Let me zoom y'all closer to my face and let's get started. I'm gonna just tap a little bit of pink pixel on my finger, and then I'm just gonna tap it on my eyelid. Boop, boop, boop. I'm gonna put on some eyeliner and mascara, and I'll be right back. Alright, and I'm back. I'm better than ever. Okay. And there you guys have it. This is what I came up with using the Poki palette. This is a very convenient palette for, you know, everyday looks. If you don't want to go too overboard, perfect palette. Shout out to King_Macaroni for the request. Alright guys, I will see you guys later. Bye! After my uncle comes down, then I'll tell you.
Oh, don't you look so ugly?